Millions of people pour a cold glass of milk every morning, rarely thinking about where it came from. But behind this everyday habit lies a massive, high-tech industry. Welcome to the world of mega dairy farms, vast operations that raise thousands of cows and produce millions of gallons of milk every day. These aren't traditional barns with a few cows chewing hay. These are modern marvels of science, automation, and logistics. From the moment a calf is born to the instant milk hits the supermarket shelf, every step is carefully planned, monitored, and executed on a scale that's hard to imagine. But how do these mega farms work? And what does it take to keep the milk flowing non-stop? Stick around to find out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stories from the world's biggest food industries. The journey begins with the cows. Calves are either born on-site or sourced from specialized breeding farms. Mega dairies use selective breeding and genetic tracking to raise the healthiest, most productive cows. Since the 1960s, selective breeding has nearly tripled milk production per cow, with US Holsteins increasing from about 13,000 to 28,000 pounds annually. Each calf's diet, health, and growth are monitored using advanced software. Farms raise thousands of cows, grouped by age and health. Calves transition from milk to specialized feed for bone growth. Heifers are bred at 13 to 15 months and calve at 22 to 24 months, joining the milking herd at around 2 years old. Comfort equals production. Mega dairy farms understand this better than anyone. Cows live in massive climate-controlled barns with cushioned floors and automatic fans, misters, and ventilation systems. These barns are designed to reduce stress and keep cows comfortable in all weather. They have access to clean bedding, fresh water, and shade. In many farms, robotic back scratchers help cows relax, which boosts milk output. The barns are cleaned regularly with automated systems to maintain hygiene and prevent disease. Happy cows are productive cows, and mega dairies invest heavily in creating the ideal environment. It's not just about animal welfare, it's about maximizing the milk they can produce day after day. Feeding thousands of cows isn't just about tossing hay, it's a science. Mega dairy farms work with animal nutritionists to develop total mixed rations blends of grains, silage, hay, and vitamins for maximum milk yield. These rations are mixed daily and delivered by automated feeding trucks that drive through the barns on schedule. Each group of cows receives a diet tailored to their stage of production. Lactating cows need high-energy feed to keep up with their milk output, while dry cows have a different nutritional profile. The goal: to keep cows healthy, productive, and milking at peak capacity with minimal waste and maximum efficiency. That is where the magic happens. In mega dairies, cows are milked 2 to 3 times a day using automated milking parlors or robotic systems. These aren't simple machines, they're high-tech setups capable of milking hundreds of cows per hour. Cows walk into the parlor, guided by gentle gating systems. Once in place, automated arms clean and attach milking units to each teat. As milk flows, it's measured in real time for volume, quality, and temperature. Each cow is identified using RFID tags, and all data is logged instantly. The milk never touches human hands. It's transferred through sealed, sterile piping to massive storage tanks, ready for the next stage. Fresh milk is incredibly sensitive to temperature and contamination. The moment it leaves the cow, it's cooled to about 3 to 4 degrees Celsius in seconds using plate chillers and bulk cooling tanks. These tanks are huge, often holding tens of thousands of gallons. Every tank is made from stainless steel and cleaned automatically between batches. The milk is stored under strict conditions while awaiting transport, with regular sampling for bacteria and antibiotic residues. These samples are sent to labs or tested on-site to ensure safety and quality. If any batch fails the test, it's discarded. There's zero tolerance for contamination, not just for health reasons, but for brand trust and regulatory compliance. Once approved, milk is pumped into insulated stainless steel tanker trucks and sent to processing plants. These tankers can carry up to 8,000 gallons of milk and are part of a cold chain system that never breaks. They're washed and sanitized between each trip and loaded using sterile pumps. Drivers follow strict routes and timetables to get the milk to processing facilities within hours. On arrival, the milk is tested again before unloading. This entire system, from farm to processor, is tracked using GPS and supply chain software. It ensures that millions of gallons of milk move smoothly across the country every day, all while staying fresh and untouched. Processing is where raw milk becomes consumer-ready. At giant milk plants, the incoming milk is first pasteurized and heated to kill harmful bacteria without affecting taste or nutrition. Then Then it's homogenized to break down fat molecules so the milk stays smooth. From here, it's separated into various products: whole milk, low-fat, cream, butter, cheese, yogurt, and more. Everything is automated. Giant separators, heaters, mixers, and filters handle the job. Quality checks happen at every step. These factories run 24/7, processing hundreds of thousands of gallons daily. The final products are then packaged, labeled, and sent off to retailers or other food producers. Producing millions of gallons of milk also means generating waste manure, wastewater, and unused feed. Mega dairies handle this with industrial-level recycling systems. Manure is collected and used in anaerobic digesters to produce biogas, a renewable energy source. What's left becomes fertilizer for crops. Wastewater is treated on-site and reused for cleaning or irrigation. Feed waste is minimized through precision feeding, but any leftovers are composted. Some farms even sell excess energy back to the grid. This closed-loop system reduces the environmental footprint and turns waste into profit. For mega dairies, sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a built-in part of staying profitable and compliant. Modern mega dairies are transforming into smart factories using robotics, AI, and real-time data. Robotic milking systems are part of a market expected to hit $6.03 billion by 2029. Automate milking while tracking cow health. AI predicts feeding needs, cow fertility, and maintenance schedules, optimizing operations. Wearable tech monitors cow activity and health and detects illness early, even signs of bird flu. Drones scan fields, robots clean barns, and smart gates guide cow movement. The AI in agriculture market is set to reach $4.7 billion by 2028, showing the rapid rise of smart farming. These technologies boost efficiency, cut labor costs, and improve animal care. Once processed, milk and dairy products are shipped to local markets and international buyers. Some milk goes straight to stores. Others become cheese, butter, or milk powder that travels thousands of miles. The packaging is tailored to each market, from school-sized cartons to bulk exports. Temperature-controlled logistics keep everything fresh. Mega dairies often partner with multinational companies to distribute globally, whether it's feeding school kids in the US, making chocolates in Switzerland, or supplying milk powder to Southeast Asia. These farms are at the center of a global food web, and they're built to scale, adapt, and deliver. So, the next time you enjoy a cold glass of milk, ask yourself what kind of technology brought it to your table. Mega dairy farms aren't just changing how we farm, they're redefining how we feed the world. With smart systems, clean processes, and massive scale, these farms are setting the future of food in motion. But will this high-tech milk revolution continue to meet the growing demand sustainably? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening food journeys.